There are how many languages you're learning?
8. No.
100.
100.
100 languages of learning. 44 is here. Do we still have more? So let's think of
Yeah,
more.
not every.
Any more? I'm going to run out of space.
No, you're not.
So tell me, what are the other languages? Now think of each of you and say which is the way you all learn the best.
Yes. Visuals. Memorizing.
Yes. Mixed media I have on the book. Let's now. Hardik, do you remember everything that we did in grade 1? Let's start. See what do we remember. Digestive system. Wait. I'm only talking about my grade 1. You all were also part of the same story.
Yeah.
So, Preet,
Reading.
system there. In what else? Grade 2, nothing but. Now only you all tell me what happened in grade 1. We did the freedom struggle. Thank you. What else? Okay. So now basics is still going on, so it's easier for you to remember. What's more important? Now I'm going to put you into the pairs. Raghav, Hardik, with me. Okay. Jazz, Nirali, together. Just you all have to document whatever you remember in each of these. Okay? Preet, Naren. Okay. Now both of you. Now these are the new students. Alright? So it's interesting to know you are in grade 6 right now. And you saw that in grade 6 these children remember everything that Nirali did in grade 1. So I need you to recall whatever has happened in grade 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, anything that you can remember, you leave it Anshula. Is that clear? Now, the rest of you, I want you to pick up three things in each of the grades, and I want more. What do you remember in them? Okay? Not what you learn, what do you remember doing? Very well. Is that clear?
We had made a
question.
It can live on the land and amphibians.
Do you remember any of the books you read during these times?
In solar system, I remember school bus.
Okay, you remember the magic school bus? You also remember where we got the solar system?
Yeah, we must have done it in November because while doing the solar system, we came here and we saw the planet Saturn. And we had made that thing, and there we were saying it's so cold, and it could be November or December only.
Okay.
And we saw Saturn.
Do you remember why we did those circles?
We had to learn that how all the planets move and around the axis and
Wow, we like that in the solar system. So you remember seeing Saturn? You remember the bonfires and what do you remember? Okay, let's hear this. What do you remember the digestive
we
system?
remembered our book.
What was the book?
The mixture, apple, and then rolled into that mixture, and then we showed the mixture across, and we discussed why did this happen, and then
They remember the Marie Biscuit.
Marie Biscuit you put it in
Yeah, you remember that too?
Yeah, because we are
Now, okay, I'll ask this to one just a second. Both of you. You were in the same class with them. Okay. In the digestive system, they remember the model.
Yeah, you model.
Okay. They remember the Marie Biscuit experiment. And they remember that they made a little book.
Yeah, even we. Ma'am, they are
Anything else you remember in the digestive system? Have you written anything else? Okay, in the frog. They remember the tongue experiment.
The dolls that we made with Pina, and then we went to nature walk at the last night day with Keshav. Oh
There's a theme that is coming out in all of the things that you're understanding. Can anybody?
Activities. They
Activities.
are the things that we enjoy the most and the most. Likes and things that we have done.
Exactly.
What? Things that we have done, not someone else. Teachers. That's right.
Why is it important?
Then we can understand what we are doing. Otherwise, the teacher will teach anything. Now we will tell okay, now how did we gain from that? When we do the work practically, we gain something. Grade 1, we in senior KG they taught us how to write 3-lettered words like cat, bat, and they taught us vowels, and in Hindi they taught us kaka gaga, and in senior KG. Yeah, grade 2 we learned that how to use that comma, full stop. Now that's giving
Wow, look at what they're remembering.
Then we also did water. Yeah.
Okay.
Using the sources of water cycle. And water cycle and grade 2.
So you only remember the rules, the handwriting, the 3-letter words, and your full stop.
Everything related to academics. Full stop academics. Yeah, and we are in second standard. We are in second standard. They took us to Narsolo.
Anshuman, what comes out?
They remember what they have done,
Yeah.
and it's like we learn. They are part of the whole program.
They
don't need us.
They themselves didn't do anything. They were taught just
These kids were taught. Even when they said that, ma'am, we went to the lawn to pull out roots of a plant. So it was not that they were very excited about it. It was, I don't know. What was it? It was you were asked to do and
No, we went there, we were made to sit. Then there was this bhaiya, he was holding us like he so that we couldn't come ahead, and the teachers just pulled it out and showed us. And they even told us that about plants and how they produce food. They told us that
See, it's very interesting how you're speaking. They told us They taught us. They made us give a rule. Did you hear any of these people say they?
No. They said we.